Welcome to this episode of Comparison University, Smart Upload. When projects are created via the data library, you can upload data simply by clicking into the relevant project folder. Here we can see we don't yet have any data sets, but to add a new one, all we need to do is click the Upload button here in the top right. This is going to bring us to our upload screen, which looks familiar to what we will have seen when we created a project from the Explore screen. Now, you have data source specific options, such as the brand watch option that we discussed earlier, but you also have a variety of generic options that allow you to upload a spreadsheet from any source. And in this instance, we're going to use Smart Upload. And what Smart Upload allows you to do is to put in any spreadsheet file, and the platform will intelligently try to identify which columns contain text, which columns contain dates, and which columns contain other applicable metadata points that are linked to the text responses. So clicking Smart Upload here, we are prompted to attach a file. So I'm going to go ahead and attach my file here. We can rename that file if we want. We can specify the language that the file is in, and we can optionally enable our cleaning options, which again are really useful for stripping things out of your data that you're worried might distort your analysis. Once that's been done, we can click Next, and the platform is going to show us what it thinks about our data. So what it's done is it's taken a first pass at classifying the columns in our spreadsheet. And here we can see it's correctly identified column A as containing the date. We can see the date fields listed there. It's correctly identified column F, the open-end response, as being the text column. And again, as a text analysis platform, this is going to be the central object on which the analysis is performed. And then it's classified all of the other columns present in our data set as metadata. So things like gender, age, location, these are fields that are linked to a text response and are going to be useful for helping us to segment our data and build comparisons later on. Now, in this instance, it got everything correct, but if it hadn't, it's just a matter of dragging and dropping to tell the platform what it should be doing. You can also move any attributes that you don't need to include into the bin over here on the right of the screen. But in this instance, it's got it exactly as I would like. So I'm going to go ahead and click Submit, and that's going to upload this data set to my project. And in the next episode, we'll look at how we can split out this data to build comparisons.